Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to add a box border in Microsoft Word. So let's do it. So first open on your Word and then I just open a blank document file. So if you want to add a box border from everywhere, so if you want to add a box border, how should you do? You just need to go on the option at the top, design, and then they have a right side page border. Select on it. Now select box and then OK. Now here you can see box border already added on here. So guys, in this way you can add a box border in Microsoft Word very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.